Yan na guys, ang suot ng baby. So today we're going to the mosque. So doon kasi kailangan makapag like lagay ka ng ano sa ulo. And yan, dapat naka-pants or di ka long dress. Ganun, guys. And even baby. 9 days na kami dito sa UAE and medyo nakaka-adjust na ng konti dahil meron tayong 4 hours na difference. Mas nauna ang Pilipinas ng 4 hours. Dito na tayo guys. Ayan na yung mosque. Ang ganda.
Mosque. Kanang mga Muslim.
Simbahan nila. Yeah, they're coming.
May multa dihan kung magluda.
Tita Kake.
Yeah, coming. Andito na kami sa mosque. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan, no? Ang baby naman ay, yan, nakaupo. So, papasok po muna kami sa loob. Ayan. Basta magpipicture kami, mga mima. And dapat naka-abaya, you know. Look at my outfit there. So, ganda. Dito pa lang entrance. Dito, yan. So, parang dome. Tapos magka-underground, tsaka pupunta din sa mosque. So, see you there, guys. Ano kami sa loob ng dome. Ayan, my baby is there. Okay, so, I don't know kung saan. So, bago pupunta dun sa mosque. Yan. Guys. Hello. Ang aking baby ay. Where are you going? Ha? No, going mo ng baby ko, oh. Ayan na. Punta na doon. Guys, nag-ride na lang kami. Mangkita. We just ride. Baby, look. Ito marangkada na ang madam. Parang naramdaman na film. We just stand up there and I take picture of you. Mashallah. No, not in that. Oh, how about action? Ayun na nga, bumaba kami guys. At takot na takot kami mag-picture tuloy sa loob. Ayan. Guys, dito kami nag-exit and entrance. Pero dito kami pumunta. Yan. So, underground nga talaga yung daanan, guys. Oh my God. So, that's it, guys. The Granos. Hihingi yan, Nay.
The city is just been building the
Okay.
shop down.
What? Guys, andito na kami sa pinaka-city ng Abu Dhabi. And we're going to eat muna and bibili kami ng, you know, kung ano mabibili pa. So, kagaling nga namin.
Bili, please.
Yeah, o, diba? Basta may gusto kong bibilhin. Ayan, tinan niyo yung aking, ano. That's the city. Yeah. See you there, guys, sa pupuntahan namin.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
But for me, I don't know.
Madinat Shopping Center. Dito na kami sa Gold Center ng Abu Dhabi. And then katabi niya pala Lulu Supermarket. Ayan, so tingin tayo kung may mabibili tayo. Let's go! We are here na inside the Gold Center. Guys, dito na kami sa food area. And dito kami nakain sa buffet. 10 years na sila. And baby is so hungry na. Ano?
Gina, you eat.
Kain tayo. So, ang kinuha ko, ayan, ay shrimp, tsaka nag-crab ako. Ang baby naman ay, what is your food? Jelly daw. Kain mo na. Guys, tingnan mo naman. Nakailang jelly na yan. We'll go na to the gold, guys. Good. Okay.
Which one?
Inside.
This one? Good.
Okay. Okay. Butterfly na. Yeah, butterfly nga. Ano ba yan? Sheila, butterfly. Yeah, that's for you. Say, Daddy, I bought the butterfly one. Can I have receipt, please? Receipt? Yeah. Ay, wait. Take photo, please. Yes, that, please.
Wow, this one coming Tiffany 18 karat
Wow.
bracelet. This one all is coming. Maybe I would say 13. Only necklace?
All, the set.
All, huh? All coming. All coming, I would say 6.34. This one coming 29,890 dirhams.
Times 15.
Time 15 coming peso is 44,850.
Million?
Yeah.
I know. 448,500.
8,000.
Oh my God.
15.15 into coming. 16,800 into peso coming.
Times 15, ah.
Yeah.
253. Oh, that's already good. Okay, thank you. So, baby bought this one. Yeah. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan, so dito ka bumili sa Al Zahira Jewelry. Yeah, Al Zahira. Ayan, may nadagdag naman kayamanan ang babaita. At ayun na si Kuya. Making the receipt. Baka hindi kasi natakot. Ayan. Bye. Thank you. Na nga guys, nawawala ang sasakyan namin. Kinuha, we don't know where. So we'll wait. We don't know what happened. Our car is missing.
It's the car missing. I'm
Yeah.
missing. It's got missing.
Yeah. It's okay. We will find it. This is the grocery, guys. Ayan, oh. It's Lulu Market. Yeah! It's Lulu Supermarket. Ayun na taxi, guys. Dito Tagalog?
Tagalog yung ad.
Ano sabi?
Sinabi niya,
It's okay.
okay, kada babae. Ayun,
Okay,
no?
bye.
Philippines yung ad. Yung iba, nakasulat.
Ayan na nga ang ating labas.
Ating
Hindi natin mabasa, syempre, mga
For the first. I know.
Okay. What?
Look, a little up. I will go
First
up in the
Arabic.
car.
Okay.
Next, English. Arabic
sabi,
ata yun.
diba?
Next,
No.
hindi ko alam yan.
This is up
Taiwan?
and then
Thailand?
all of the ladies on the car. The car said, drive. And it'll be a more bigger. And
Philippines. Filipino.
this is Filipinos. And then the car is the drive. Ano? 08880. I didn't wait.
let's go.
I not read. I not eat.
No,
I
re-
not eat.
Okay.
I not eat the little. Read. Look it up, down, and up, down.
Arman.
Up, down, a little driver. If the car is up. Is little driving car, little
Guys, traffic din dito.
a little traffic there, a little my car.
Traffic.
A little traffic, a little car. A little car.
We're here na in our place, pero blurred yung ating. Guys, andito na tayo. Hoy! Claire! Nalak! Lock!